Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you natural keratin for your hair. You will get a shiny and strong hair naturally at home. All you need is 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, 2 vitamin E capsules. Start by making the flaxseed gel. To do this, boil flax seeds in 2 cups of water. Stir occasionally until the mixture thickens, similar to the consistency of an egg white. Strain the mixture through a cheesecloth to remove the flax seeds and let it cool. In a bowl, combine aloe vera gel and flaxseed gel. Mix them together until well blended. Add vitamin E oil to the mixture. You can puncture them and squeeze out the oil. Mix all the ingredients together until well blended. Before applying the mask, ensure your hair is clean and damp. Apply the mask to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the ends, focusing on the lengths and ends of your hair. Massage the mask into your scalp using gentle circular motions to promote circulation and stimulate the hair follicles. Once applied, cover your hair with a shower cap or wrap it with a towel to create a warm environment. This helps the mask penetrate the hair shaft and scalp effectively. Leave the mask on for about 1 hour to 2 hours to allow the ingredients to work their magic. After the recommended time, rinse your hair thoroughly with warm water. You may need to rinse a bit longer to ensure all the gel and oil are removed. Style your hair as usual. You can let it air dry or use a blow dryer if desired. Aloe vera gel and flaxseed gel are both excellent natural moisturizers for the hair. They help hydrate and nourish the hair strands, making them softer and smoother. Vitamin E oil further enhances the moisturizing effect as it helps to seal in moisture and prevent dryness. The combination of aloe vera gel, flaxseed gel, and vitamin E provides essential nutrients that strengthens the hair strands and promote repair. This can help reduce breakage, split ends, and hair damage caused by environmental factors or styling practices. This recipe is just amazing for your hair. You will see the result from the first use. I hope that you will try it. You can try it once or twice a week for best results. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.